My question for you today is, if you are a parent, how do you handle screen time in your home? My name is Jolie. I'm a nanny and family matchmaker, and I think with most things in life, it is important to have balance. So even as adults, we need to make sure we're not on our phones or watching TV or on our computers all day long. As with children, whether you are a parent with young children or a parent all the way through the teen years, managing that screen time is really important. Different families have different ways of doing so. You can have, specific amounts of time that are allotted on a device. You can have times of day where the device shuts down and is no longer available for use. What works for your family may be different than what works for another family. However, I think the importance of having that screen time balance is key. If you have questions, please reach out.